I'm having a wonderful day. I'm feeling it today.
What is wrong with you today?
Nothing's wrong, bro. I got the joy.
You got the joy?
You bet I do.
How can you have the joy? We had another talk.
Yeah, we did.
And you went out first in dodgeball.
You bet we did.
And we had to go to the doctor's office later.
Yeah, we do.
And get a flu shot.
Woohoo! That's gonna sting.
And to top it off, exercise.
Doesn't matter, Herbie. I still got the joy.
And why?
Cause I got Jesus, bro.
Hey, I should have known. It's purpose. Okay. For the last week, we have been talking about how to turn your emotions. And mine have come a long way.
I got the joy, baby.
My emotions used to be overwhelmed with fear, anger, sadness. But I've learned to focus on Jesus, and Jesus will replace those emotions with
Joy, baby.
that's right, joy. Joy is more than joy. Joy is knowing that no matter what happens, God loves us, and He is right behind us.
Right here, baby. Right next to me.
I hope these training seasons help you. They simultaneously help me.
And me.
Come on, buddy. Time for the doctor's office.
Woohoo! I hope I got a toy from the prize box today.
That's the dentist.
Can we go see him too?